let's make some cheese scones in this video. These cheese scones are similar to your traditional scones, just that they have the addition of grated cheese, giving them a rich and savory flavor. Start by sieving 3 cups of all-purpose flour into a large mixing bowl. Once done, add in some baking powder, sugar, and salt. Mix these together to incorporate nicely. Next, add some diced chilled butter and rub it in until the flour resembles breadcrumbs, just like this. After that, go in with grated Gruyère cheese. You can leave about 2 tablespoons of the cheese behind because you'll be needing this later. Just so that you know, any kind of cheese will work for this scones recipe. Now stir this to combine with the flour. Create a well in the center of the flour and then pour in 1 whisked egg and whole milk. Mix in the liquid with a spatula. Use your hands to mix it until the dough comes together. You also have to be careful. You don't have to overmix the dough at this stage. You don't want to end up with some tough or dry scones at the end. Once you're done, transfer the dough to a lightly floured surface and form it into a ball. Using a rolling pin, roll out the dough into a flat disc of about 2 centimeters thick. If your dough is sticky, make sure to add a little bit of flour to this to prevent that. Use a glass cup to cut the dough out into about 4 to 5 cycles. You can re-roll the scraps again and add to the rest of the scones. Place the cut out scones on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Let the scones sit in the freezer for about 20 minutes. When you're ready to bake your cheese scones, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and then sprinkle the remaining grated cheese on top for a grilled cheese finishing. Now take them into the oven and bake for about 18 to 20 minutes until they are golden brown. And finally, your cheese scones are done baking. You can rest them for about 10 minutes before enjoying. I would like to show you how these cheese scones turned out to be. Just look at these, crumbly, and they are so delicious as well. This can be served warm or at room temperature, and it can easily be topped with cherry jam, and that's exactly how we enjoy cheese scones over here. I hope you like this recipe and you would like to give it a try. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Don't forget to give this recipe a thumbs up and also share it with your friends. If this is your first time stopping by, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to keep you posted. Until next time guys, I'd love to see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.